Hello everybody, Papa Blue Shirt. Today I am going to put an adjustable handlebar stem on my Philodo Jumbo. Let's get to it. Here's what it looks like. Let's pull it out of the box here. There it is. That's nice. Looks to be really high quality. And this should really help my riding position. So let's get this done. There it is. You have to adjust this according to how high you have it in order to get these in the right position. But that's no big deal. Let's go take her out and see what it does. All right, I got it on there, and I got a little bit of a movement here, and I can't tighten it down anymore, so I'm gonna have to put a spacer in there. Taking it out for a little test ride here. I ended up putting the spacer on the bottom, and yeah, I think I like it. Puts my arms in a much more upright position, and I can ride more upright. So I'll test it more later today. So far, I think it's gonna be sweet. All right, I adjusted my angle of my brake levers here, and so hopefully I got it where I need to be. So we'll test it today. Well, I just stopped. I rode the first 5 miles with it like this. And other than my drink holder acting weird, I really love it. Puts you in a much higher position, puts you upright in the air more, and hopefully it takes a lot more stress off my back. So I'll know by the end of the day how it is, but so far I really love it. You can see it raised it up a lot, and it brought it back. And I used to ride with my fingers like this and lean them back as far as I can with one hand. And because I was trying to get straight and trying to get in a more comfortable position. But yeah, this solves all those problems. And yeah, I really like it. So let's continue on here. 50 miles, I think. But yeah, that was sweet. Highly recommend it. Yeah, it changes everything. Puts me in the right riding position. I can just reach my hands out and I land right on the handlebars, so I don't have to bend over as much. And yeah, so that's sweet. That was really nice. I highly recommend it. This is Papa Blue Shirt. Hope that was helpful.